Oh my god, this is ridiculous. I know you can't see me right now. Oh, the wind is starting to pick up. Oh, hell no. Get my ass back inside. Holy shit.
Hey, Jake, will you give me fresh water?
Oh my god.
How you doing? Watch out, kid. Watch out. Hold on, Jake. To get keycap food tomorrow. This is snowed in. Oh, nice. You think he's hungry?
Maybe.
Oh, please. No, don't give him that. We gotta save one for tomorrow. Okay? Only have one. I'll have to give him that tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Give that to him. I can't believe I don't have one. He's fine. The rest of those dog foods.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't even eat one. I gave him one about a week ago and he didn't even like it. That gives it in there, okay?
Mm-hmm. Shit. Yeah, there's no more. Yeah, dog. Damn it. Alright, hold on, board. I cannot get over how cold it is out there. Let's see, dog. Dog. Cat. I'm back in kindergarten again, but yeah, nothing. Unless, damn it, where's my phone? Oh, damn it, man. Yeah, shut the hell up. Oh, your device is fully protected. Come on. Shut the hell up. Let's see. It's ridiculous I have to use my phone for this. And I thought I'd turn the light on, but I guess I didn't. You gonna work or not? This is pretty awkward. Dude, what the hell? There we go. Yeah. Nothing. My niece when she used to live here. Yeah, nothing. Well, shit. I'm sorry, but yeah, there's no more food for you, big boy. I'm sorry. You know, well, I didn't get a clear shot of how much was actually in the container. Oh my god, that's it? Really? You gotta be kidding me. Look at this. Come on, damn it. Damn. Yeah, that's it. Unbelievable. You know what? Put it right here so we don't forget. Lock that because, again, it's freezing out there. Ridiculously cold. Still can't get over that. I mean, it's so cold. I can't remember if I said this or not, but it's so damn cold. This time tomorrow, we're gonna begin here with a winter storm. That's right. 3 inches of it. I mean, this is pretty unusual for us. We usually get this type of weather in mid to late January, so for us to get this type of weather this early, it's pretty rare for us. Anyway, big boy. Oh yeah, and I forgot, I completely made a mess down here too. See, yeah, this is what happens when you decide to do 2 things at once. Anyway, big boy. You want me to leave you alone? I guess so. I'm pretty sure Barry just died. Shit. Damn. Yep. Fuck, man. Okay, maybe not. Turn away from the screen just in case. Shit. Well, I said basically, fuck the thing. Oh, there we go. 7%. I don't know what it. I'm pretty sure just went into rest mode. I really don't know, but so far, this is where we're at in terms of this storm here. This is where right now. Where we are at right now. Can speak. And in case if you're in the path of a storm like I am, please stay safe and just listen to the forecast. If you have to go out, if you physically have to go out, and if it's an emergency or if it's dire, use extreme caution. And please, for the love of God, do not use your fucking phone. Seriously. I mean, that's one of the things that's really ground. Shit, it's kind of awkward to get out of. I mean, this is one of the things that just really grinds my gears. People who just don't give a shit, who don't care about the road rules in general. That crap just pisses me off. Once again, if this is a dire emergency to go on this shit, please use extreme caution. Please. I mean, it's just ridiculous. I mean, I can't. What the fuck is that? Awesome, my reflection. Wonderful. But like I was saying, if it's in a dire emergency and if you need to go on this shit, please use extreme caution. Please. Okay, yeah, I swear I keep hearing some stuff back here. It was probably the wind. I'm gonna assume that. What the hell? Yeah, I'm gonna assume that's what that is. I can't find it anywhere. What? No. Well, let me go check the fucking car then. I mean, the damn thing's again. It just doesn't make any sense. This is such a mess. But, I mean, the fucking things, didn't get sucked into a black hole. It doesn't make any sense. Don't think it's unlocked, but I guess we're gonna find out. Hey, there we go. Oh, that was pretty close. Jeez. Oh, and by the way, let me show you something here. See if I can set this up properly. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna forget it. It's gonna be as good as it gets. Look at this. Yeah. So, this is just in the console. An entire fucking thing in my lap. Literally. Because someone, not gonna mention who, someone broke the fucking thing last year, and now, well, it's more than broken now. I mean, this is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Why the hell? Okay, that's weird. Don't forget about getting off into one's tent there. Anyways, you know what? Let me do this. Set up on the dashboard for now, so it'll be easier. Stay. There we go. Sorry about this. And I can't really see it's gonna fall. Fuck. Almost. Backseat then. Is it unlocked? No, there it is, giving off anyone's tent. Oh, you know, forget it, I'll just do this. Oh, shit. Damn it. Personally, I don't care anymore. Oh, when it's starting to pick up out there again. Wow, freezing out there. Well, anyways, that's going to be it for today. And like I said before, if you're in the path of a storm, please use, I can't speak. Please use extreme caution when you're walking, driving, whatever the case may be. Please use extreme caution during this storm. Please. Anyways, that's it for today.